You just think people are looking at you because of your skin and how bad it looks. I think it's really depressing as well because you just feel really low about things when your skin doesn't look good. My name's Khadija Khan. My social media platform is just talking about my skin and my struggles with my skin. I spent literally thousands of pounds on loads of beauty products hoping for my skin to be cleared. That one was the one that I tried when I was at school and it never did a thing for me.
Do you feel like you've tried almost everything that there is?
Yeah, I've tried literally everything that is on the market. I think it's come to a stage where I just need to get this fixed and just, stop spending all my money on beauty products and actually spend it on something that will work.
Let's talk about acids.
Acids, hyaluronic acid, pure and organic rosehip oil.
They got this oily
base oils have really changed my life.
There are so many misconceptions. The majority of skincare that we buy over the counter often can't penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin, often where the acne inflammation will reside. So that's one of the reasons why skincare alone often isn't enough, particularly to treat deep forms of acne like cystic acne.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for seeing me today. I'm Khadija.
Anjali, tell me how long this has been going on for and what sort of things you've tried so far.
Okay, so I've had acne since 11 years old and I thought it would go throughout my teenage years, but I'm 22 now and it still hasn't gone.
So the vast majority of acne comes down to both hormones and genetics. Lifestyle factors like diet have a much smaller part to play. The problem is there are so many creams available on the market. The marketing, the branding, the packaging is all there to entice you. The beauty industry is there to sell to you.
The key ingredients that they have to look for are salicylic acid, niacinamide, glycolic acid, and some of the other alpha hydroxy acids like lactic acid, for example.
Skin is a little bit on the oily side, and that you also do have a few little indents or early scarring. So when we come up with a treatment plan for you, it's really important that we address all of that to make sure that we've got the acne switched off for you, and then if the marks or the scars bother you, that we can help you with that as well.
So how was it?
It was amazing and Charlie told me exactly what was wrong with my skin. Yeah, I feel really relieved. I think she's told me everything that I needed to know about my skin and I feel like a big weight's been lifted now.